Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open TikTok and go straight to your profile, no delays. Once there, tap the 3 lines, then Settings and Privacy. You need to reach Privacy quickly because that's where the active status lives. Make sure you're using the account you want to change. If not, switch accounts first. Also, clear any temporary app cache if performance is slow so the toggle changes register immediately when you make them. Next, find Active Status inside Privacy and turn the switch off. This removes the Active Now indicator for others. While you're there, review direct messages and contact sync settings so contacts can't infer activity from other signals. Once the toggle is off, close TikTok fully and relaunch it to ensure the server records the change. If you use multiple devices, repeat these steps on each one so you won't appear online from another device. To finish, confirm the change by viewing your account from a friend's phone or a second account. The Active Now tag should be gone. If the indicator persists, update TikTok, clear the app cache and settings, then log out and back in. These steps refresh your account state. If problems continue, uninstall and reinstall, and ensure no linked devices or third-party apps override activity indicators. Remember,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.